Welcome back to Tech Talk Thursdays. Today we're going to be talking about slow internet speeds, whether it's trying to access a website, your favorite streaming service is going slow, or can't game that great. Got some tips for you. First up, restart your router, but don't actually restart it. You will find a power button on it. Don't press that. Rather, unplug it from power, wait 15-30 seconds, then plug it back in. Limit the number of devices connected to your network. Too many devices connecting all at once vying for bandwidth can slow down the network as well. So just check your router settings to see what devices are online. You can boot them out if you need to. Even better, if you can, use Ethernet connections. This is your wired connection rather than wireless. This provides a direct wired connection from your device, say your TV, your console, to your router, providing much better bandwidth speeds than what Wi-Fi can give you. If it's a website giving you a problem, try cleaning your browser's cache. Sometimes that stored data can interrupt and interfere with new data trying to come in, slowing things down. And lastly and importantly, try to find a central location for your router. You don't want to have a place up the front of the house with devices at the back of the house trying to connect from that way. If it's not possible, Wi-Fi boosters can also help. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found those tips helpful. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Take care.